Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Nexo app from iPhone. Nexo is a popular crypto platform that allows users to buy, earn, borrow and manage digital assets securely right from their mobile device. But if you're no longer using the app, phishing issues or just want to free up space on your iPhone, uninstalling the Nexo app is quick and easy, and in this video I'll show you how to uninstall the Nexo app from your iPhone safely and within few simple taps. So first, you need to unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen where your Nexo available is, and you need to locate to the Nexo app icon here. What you can do is simply tap on the Nexo app until you hold it and the Nexo app appears a menu over here. What you can do is select to the remove app over here and select delete. And that is it. The Nexo app is now removed from your iPhone. Uninstalling the app does not delete your Nexo account or funds. Your assets remain safe and accessible. And when you log in again using another device or reinstall the app again, and that is it. That's how you can uninstall the Nexo app from your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple crypto and app tutorials. If you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.